Hi, travel isn't just about visiting places, it's about truly experiencing them. But many travelers feel like they only see the surface. Planning is stressful, too many apps, too many choices, and often you end up in tourist spots instead of real experiences. We solve that with one platform connecting you directly to local communities, no middlemen. Explore the village life, enjoy traditional food, and buy handicrafted products directly from creators. Meet real artisans, hear their stories, and connect with confidence with verified communities. It's just simple discover, connect, and experience it. Travel shouldn't be about connection to people, culture, and meaningful stories. Everything in one place, fully authentic, and supports locals directly. Ready to experience real culture? Go beyond the surface. Don't just visit, experience more, connect deeper, and travel with purpose. Thank you for watching this video.